In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link mobile account to PlayStation 5 Honkai Star Rail. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are playing Honkai Star Rail on a PlayStation 5 and you want to ensure that you either don't lose your progress or you transfer the progress from PC or mobile to the PlayStation 5, then I'm going to cover how to do exactly that. So first, I'm going to cover what to do if you already play Honkai Star Rail on PC or mobile and you want to transfer over your progress and make sure that it is saved onto the PlayStation 5. And then I'm going to cover later how to convert the progress that you have on PlayStation to PC or mobile. So first, when you open Honkai Star Rail for the first time on your PlayStation 5, you should see this option here, already have an account, log in directly. This is extremely important. If you want to convert the progress that you have on mobile or PC to the PlayStation, then choose this option. And now you will sign in using your Hoyoverse credentials. There is no secret to this. You input your email address, input your password, confirm that you are the owner of the account with a verification code. And as soon as you do this, your PlayStation Network account is going to be linked to your Hoyoverse account. And by doing this, the progress will be synchronized between all platforms. Now, if you don't have a Hoyoverse account, you can choose the option at the bottom, and this will have the exact same effect. A Hoyoverse account will be created for you, and it is going to be automatically linked to your PlayStation Network account. So just choose the option according to your needs. I believe that for most people who already have progress and are watching this video, this option here at the top is going to be the way to go. So just choose this. If you have already opened the game and you don't see this message, I recommend reinstalling it from the PlayStation Store. Alternatively, so this is how the screen looks like, by the way. So you will be linking your account via email or QR code. You can input your email address or scan this QR code with the camera app on your phone, and your account will be linked accordingly. Then you will see your PlayStation Network profile, confirm the server. You should see your user ID, level, and so on, and make sure that everything lines up. Now, if you already have progress on your PlayStation account and you would like to transfer the progress from PlayStation to PC or mobile, then follow the instructions here. Keep in mind that by doing this, you will overwrite any progress that you have made on PC or mobile. So make sure that you only do this if you want to keep the progress that you have made when you played on PlayStation. Be careful following. But all that you have to do in this case is to go over to the settings inside of the game, go to the user center, choose Go here, and then you will see the standard option to link your account. By linking your account to a Hoyoverse profile, it will get the progress from PlayStation and convert it into your Hoyoverse account that you can then use on a PC or a mobile device to play with the progress that you made on your PlayStation Network profile account. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.